Hey YouTube. Hey, we're back on Copperhead today, and we're going to be cutting the floors out and hopefully possibly get the engine set in today. I don't know if I'm going to have the time to do it, but I'm going to try to do it. I got some stuff to do today, but we're going to try and get this done. But anyway, we're going to get to cutting the floors like we did on the passenger side. Pretty much the same way, just going to cut out the floor, put the pan in it, and spot weld it in. So here we go with that. Oh, this is going a little quicker than I did last time. Because I kind of know what I'm doing this time. Before I had no clue. I was just trying what I'd seen. But that's where we're at now. Got the floor cut out. I think I'm going to leave that piece because it's still pretty decent and I don't really feel like fucking with it. But I got to keep this in here because that's the pedal base. So I might cut out a little more there. And I didn't realize, but the gas, that's the gas tank sticking out there. I'm glad it wasn't up higher. I would have cut in the gas tank and went boom. So gotta be careful about that. You gotta really watch out. I'm gonna sit the pan in here and see how it sits, and then I'm gonna have to notch out the pan for that. So, but I think you got all the bad metal out of here. Might go ahead and leave that and just kind of cut the new pan to fit there, and then up and cut it around that and trim it to fit. Well, here it is at the end of the day, and of course, like always, you never get as much done as you want to get done because life kicks your ass all the time. But anyway, I did get the floor pan in and I got the carpet just sitting in here just to see how it would look. This is actually pretty good carpet. It's a little long though. I did order this for a regular cab, but it's long. I don't know if they accidentally sent me the wrong carpet, or if it needs to go further up underneath the dash or something. It might need to actually go further up underneath the dash now that I'm looking at it. So yeah, so I can situate it. I ain't got it tacked down or nothing. It's just sitting in there trying to get spread out and looked at. But yeah, so Copperhead is coming together, or at least starting to, and I'll go ahead and order the seats probably this payday. Nothing real special, just the Summit racing seats. I had them in the Aspen and they were comfortable, and they're only about 200 bucks, so they're really not too bad. But yeah, once I get, well, now that I got the floors done, I got to work the next 4 days. So maybe Monday I can do the motor and transmission, get those dropped in, and start the wiring. Alright guys, it's been a fun day. I'm tired. It's Wednesday, May 4th. So anyway, y'all take it easy, and I'll be back with some more stuff on this. Later guys.